Computer Graphics Technology program at IUPUI offers a Purdue degree in 4 different areas of study. Those 4 areas are interactive multimedia development, animation, themed attraction design, and motion graphics design. Computer graphics technology students are creative and technical problem solvers, and they're sought after in industry for both of those reasons.
CGT definitely has some courses that are really important, as well as professors have the real world experience, which is super great to have that kind of background to fall onto so they can explain exactly how the industry is, how it works, and what you need to prepare for it.
Students who graduate with this degree from computer graphics technology can enter into the job force in a variety of different ways. They can work in any type of production, from film to video games, web and multimedia designers, broadcast animators, graphics designers, visual effects. We really try to take the passion that the student brings into the program and partner them with the faculty who have the expertise in that area to properly train them to solve the problem.